Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Today we cover our mock test part 1 soft skill. In this video, we will provide you some question and you have to answer it in 5 seconds. So let's start our question first. Which of the following skills are often contrasted with hard skill in professional life? So these are the option: technical skills, soft skills, computer skills, academic skills. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, soft skill. Now let's go to question number 2. Soft skills are best described as. So these are the option: a one-time learning process, a lifelong learning process, only job specific abilities, strictly technical in nature. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, a lifelong learning process. Now let's go to question number 3. Which of the following qualities generally motivates co-workers toward organizational goals? So these are the option: negative mindset, positive attitude, strictness, silence. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, positive attitude. Now let's go to question number 4. Grapevine communication is often seen as. So these are the option: always trustworthy, partially reliable, fully authentic, technical. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, partially reliable. Now let's go to question number 5. Which factor plays the most vital role in the success of communication? So these are the option: silence, environment, technology, hierarchy. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, environment. Now let's go to question number 6. Communication is most effective when it maintains. So these are the option: conscription, conscientiousness, randomness, authority. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, conscientiousness. Now let's go to question number 7. Soliloquy is an example of. So these are the option: interpersonal communication, group communication, mass communication. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, intrapersonal communication. Now let's go to question number 8. Meta communication helps people to extract. So these are the option: only literal meanings, hidden or multiple meanings, historical meanings only, technical meaning only. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, hidden or multiple meanings. Now let's go to question number 9. Traveling on company funds for personal entertainment is. So these are the option: ethical, unethical, neutral, encourage. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, unethical. Now let's go to question number 10. Communication functions as a. So these are the option: beaming force, binding force, dividing force, none of the above. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, binding force. Now let's go to question number 11. Freud's book The Psychopathology of Everyday Life mainly deals with. So these are the option: suppressed and repressed emotions, leadership techniques, negotiation strategies, team communication. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, suppressed and repressed emotions. Now let's go to question number 12. Which one of the following represent the moral compass in personality structure? So these are the option: ID, ego, superego, none. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, superego. Now let's go to question number 13. Which type of culture places more emphasis on non-verbal communication? So these are the option: low context culture, high context culture, technical cultures, western cultures. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, high context cultures. Now let's go to question number 14. The phonetic sound of the number 8 is traditionally believed to symbolize. So these are the options: misfortune, prosperity, neutrality, division. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, prosperity. Now let's go to question number 15. NAFTA stands for. So these are the options: North American Free Trade Agreement, North American Foreign Trade Agreement, National Agreement for Free Trade Activities, none of the above. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, North American Free Trade Agreement. Now let's go to question number 16. Which approach should be avoided in negotiation? So these are the options: aggressiveness without concern, listening actively, focusing on fact, emphasizing benefits for both sides. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, aggressiveness without concern. Now let's go to question number 17. According to Maslow, which is not part of self-actualization needs? So these are the options: morality, creativity, shelter, problem solving. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, shelter. Now let's go to question number 18. In Japan, the polite way to refuse or say no is often shown by, so these are the options: shaking head side to side, nodding, raising chin upward, turning away. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, shaking head side to side. Now let's go to question number 19. Which of the following is not true about culture? So these are the options: culture norms are logical, cultures are static, culture represents identity, culture can be learned. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, cultures are static. Now let's go to question number 20. The famous quote, let us never negotiate out of fear, but let us also not fear to negotiate, was said by. So these are the options: Winston Churchill, John F. Kennedy, Theodore Roosevelt, Abraham Lincoln. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, John F. Kennedy. Now let's go to question number 21. GATT stands for. So these are the options: General Agreement on Tariff and Trade, General Association of Trade and Tokens, Geneva Agreement on Technology and Trade, General Association of Trade and Traffic. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, General Agreement on Tariff and Trade. Now let's go to question number 22. The you attitude in business writing means. So these are the options: focusing only on yourself, showing benefits to the other party, highlighting company profits only, ignoring the customer. So your time starts now. B, showing benefits to the other party. Now let's go to question number 23. Which of the following is not a healthy strategy to break deadlock? So these are the options: explaining consequences, showing benefits, refusing to make concession, using unethical tricks. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, using unethical tricks. Now let's go to question number 24. Persuasion in negotiation works best when. So these are the options: both parties talk and listen, one dominates aggressively, intimidation is used, only notes are taken. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, both parties talk and listen. Now let's go to question number 25. Proxemics refer to the study of. So these are the options: space in communication, voice tones, silence, touch. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, space in communication. So thank you friends for watching our part 1 soft skill mock test. We will meet in next video. So thank you friends for watching our video.